up, guys? Hello, Sunday. It's so tiring days, guys. I'm so tired because today I transferred a cabinet by myself, guys. So yeah, let's take a look. How did I did that by myself? I'm struggling, guys, and I'm so tired right now. I'm so tired. I want to sleep, but I cannot sleep, guys. So yeah, let's edit some videos and let's see how it goes. See? And here we go, guys. Let's get started. Oops, I actually started, guys, because I forgot that I can take a video of me while doing this cabinet. And you see, I already took the other doors. One door left, and yeah, let's continue it. Because I don't have a man, so I'll be a man for today. I hope somebody help me. Okay, in this video, guys, I already took all the parts in the different room, and yeah, I didn't document all the things that happen. How do I carry all of those things here? But yeah, I did it by myself, guys. You know that? I'm proud of myself, but I'm so tired now. So tired. This is really difficult, guys, if you do it alone, and yeah, I really need an extra hand in this part. Like, I'm all alone in the house, so nobody's helping me. Nobody, guys, so I need to do it today. So I push myself to fix it, and yeah, you'll see how it goes. Now it's time to put the back part of the cabinet. It's a thin plywood, guys, so yeah, and you will see I don't have a hammer, guys, so you better watch out because I used a very big knife. Yeah, finally, guys, somebody arrived home now, so they will help me to put the doors. That's great. And we're almost there, guys. Only the doors is missing, so thank you for their help and the hammer. So yeah, that's So yeah guys, if you need some carpenter, just call me and I'll be there. Just kidding. Here we go guys, the finished product. What a Sunday guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.